Okay, so the video stopped on me, but let's keep moving. There's one right here in the book. It's number 18. And what it says is you are, so put number 18, page 456. And it says that you have an aqueduct and you're 27 feet from the base. And the angle of elevation to the top, that's your angle of elevation, is 78. They want you to find how tall the aqueduct is. That's the drawing, and it's a right triangle. So what you're going to do is think about this. You're looking at opposite and adjacent, so that's tangent. So it's going to be the tangent of 78 degrees is equal to opposite over adjacent. And now the opposite of dividing by 27 is multiplying. So you're going to multiply by 27, this cancels. Get your calculator and figure that out. So on my calculator, it's going to be 27 times the tan of 78. Let's see what happens. I get 127 feet. So the aqueduct is 127 feet high. That's how you do it. Today you have two things going on here. You have page 455, and then you have the worksheet. Okay? I actually want you to do the worksheet first. So scratch this out and put worksheet first and this page second. And the worksheet is right here. So if you can't be with us, guess what? You can copy it down from the video. Just pause it or have a friend get it for you. Or you can go to the folder and get it yourself when you get back to work, back to school. All right, let's take a look here. Let's find surface area of this one right here, and that's what we're doing. Okay, so this piece right here, the front, and I'm going to make it bigger so you can see it. Okay, so let's draw it first of all. So put a little rectangle here, put another rectangle here, try to make them the same size, and then connect them. All right, so this one is 12, this one is 2, this one back here is 4, so I'm going to put the 4 right here, so I'm going to need it. So let's get the front. The front is 4 times 2, so that's 8. But the back is the same, so you're going to double it. Plus, you got this side right here, the left side, which is 12, and this 2 right here goes right here. 12 times 2. And then times 2, because the other side is the same. Then you got the bottom, which is 12 times 4. And then times 2. You add all that up, and you get your answer for the surface area. Now here's another way you can do it, in case you don't know. So you have 12, 4, and 2. 12, 4, and 2. Those are the measurements. So another way you can do it, if you can't understand that, is you take both of these times 2. You take both of these times 2. And then you take the first and last times 2. It's the same thing that I just did there. All right, let's turn our attention now to college algebra. And to do that, we're going to go to this sheet right here. So copy all of this down. Make it a little smaller for you. Okay, so here's the bell work. Don't forget you have test number 2 this weekend. Now, let's solve this one. Remember the natural log right here has base e. So you're going to exponentiate it like that. This cancels. So you get x equals e to the 2/3. There it is. And you get your calculator and you do it. You might say, well, how do you do it? Well, let me show you. Clear your calculator out. Press Shift and the division sign, and you get e, and then raise it, and I would use parentheses, 2 divided by 3, close parentheses, and then press enter. I get 1.94. Make sure you get that. Let's go to this one right here. Copy that down. Remember, when you have the log same base equal to the log same base, you can just drop this. So you get 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 4, and then you work it out. That's a property. Try this one right here. Copy that one down. Well, here you have log base 10, right? It's a common log, and you're subtracting. So you're going to write it as log base 10 of 4x divided by 12 plus x is equal to log base 10 of 2. Now again, you have the log equal to the log, so you can drop that out. Now you got to solve this equation, and if you can solve it, you got your answer. What I would do here is multiply both sides right here by 12 plus x. When I do that, that cancels. So I get 4x is equal to 24 plus 2x. And then you got to solve that. I would subtract 2x and get 2x equals 24, and then divide by 2 and get 12. That's what I get. All right, let's keep moving. Copy this one down. This is the end of that section. I guess it's 5.4. I want to finish it up. All right, question is, how do you solve that? Well, to solve it, what I would do is I would first subtract 5 and get a negative 1. Like that. Then I would divide by 2 and get negative 1/2. Now remember, this is base e, so I would raise exponentially and cancel that out and get x equals e to the negative 1/2. And I already showed you how to use your calculator. That should work. Try this one right here. Copy that down and try that one. That one is exactly the same. To do that one, you're going to draw your line. You're going to subtract 7. When you subtract 7, you get 3 times the natural log of x equals negative 2. You're going to divide and get negative 2 over 3. Then you're going to exponentiate both sides and get x equals e to the negative 2/3, and you're done. Same exact problem. Copy this one down. To solve this equation, I would first divide by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is going to give you 2. Like that. It's base 5, so I would exponentiate it like this and cancel that out. So I get 3x is equal to 25, and divide and get 25 over 3. And that should be the answer. Try this one. Raise it up for you. Okay, so to work this one, you're going to divide by 3. So you're going to get log base 4 of 6x equals 9 divided by 3 is 3. The base is 4, so you're going to exponentiate. This cancels by some property. So you get 6x equals 4 times 4 times 4. You're going to divide by 6 and get your answer. You can reduce this. 2 goes into this, 2 times 2 goes into this, 3 times. 4 times 4 is 16 times 2 is 32, I think. I get 32 over 3. All right, copy this down. I'm almost done. Okay, so when you add right here, logarithms, and this is base 10, by the way, you're going to multiply. So it's going to be log of 5x times x minus 1 equals 2. Remember, this is base 10, so you want to exponentiate it by raising it to base 10. So you're going to get 5x squared minus 5x equals 100. At this point, you could technically divide everything by 5 to drop that 5 out. So you're going to say x squared minus x. And then this is 20, I think. And I'm going to move the 20 over here and get negative 20 equals 0. And then I'm going to factor this. I think it's 5 times 4. I want a negative with the bigger one. And that should do it. So x equals 5 when you solve this. 5 minus 5 and negative 4. Those are the two answers. Okay? Today's work is right here. Work quietly. If you have any questions, ask. Have a good day.